Hi, I'm Hadas from Canva. Welcome to my channel and to the Canva Snacks, a series of bite-sized tutorials in less than 5 minutes to teach you how to use Canva at its best. Please subscribe so you'll get notified every time a Canva snack is uploaded to the channel, and you're most welcome to also join my Facebook community called Canva. Although in Hebrew, you can easily translate and enjoy free tips, tricks, and lots of inspiration. So, are you ready? Let's go! Well, I have this beautiful design and I want to play around with the backgrounds. Then you have 4 options to play around. So as you can see, we have these leaves that were added one by one. This is a great option for a background, but let's try to delete them and see what more can be done. So one option would be to click on the background and just pick a color, any solid color that would suit your design. Another option is to go to the left to the background tab. Once you click on that, you get these subtitles where you can find landscape, backgrounds, patterns, gradients, abstract, food, etc. You can just click on see all and see all the backgrounds that you have. The way that this works is you don't need to drag and drop anything, just click on it and it will be automatically added to your design. It already knows it's supposed to be a background. So you can play around with this and then you can edit it. You can change the color and so on. A third option would be to go up to the Photos tab, and any photo that you'd like, you can just drag and drop. Let's look for a tea party. And for example, drag and drop this one, or maybe this one. Of course, you'll have to play around with your text location. How about this one? Well, you have so many options that take you a few seconds only. Another option would be to add a video. You can go to the Video tab and maybe search for a tea party down here. Drag and drop and see what happens. This is so cute! So you get the idea. Another option for your background would be to go to Elements and then search for Background. I can click on any background here and maybe duplicate this or just drag this, position it backward. And you can do this with any pattern. If it's too loud, you can always use the transparency. And there you go. So to sum this up, you can use a solid color, the Background tab, the Photos tab, the Elements tab, and the Videos tab. The land of all possibilities. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this snack. Now, if you don't own a Pro account and you'd like to give it a try, I will be very happy to give you 45 days to try out Canva Pro for free. No strings attached. You'll find the link in the comments below. I'll see you all next time. Bye!